Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Denise, and today I will be showing you how I style my beauty supply store wig quick and easy at home. So if you're interested in watching, stick around. So to get started, I like to start by plucking the part. And what I mean by plucking the part, for those of you that do not know, is that you're going to take a set of tweezers and you're going to pluck away hair as you see me doing in the video. And you do not want to over pluck, because then you can't go back and change it after it's already done, which I learned from past experiences. So you just want to do enough to give you a natural looking part. Now, if this was a lace front wig, you would pluck the hairline, but since it is not, and I will be wearing the hair over my hairline, I really don't need to pluck that, because with the lace front wigs, you're going to pluck the hairline to lay the baby hairs. But since I have already laid my hair down in the front how I would like it, we're going to skip that step. I guess that's a whole nother video for another time. And there's also a lot of detailed videos out there that you can watch to show you how to pluck and lay the baby hairs and how to style your edges. So once I'm done plucking, I am going to brush through the wig with my wig brush or paddle brush and brush away all the excess hair that I've plucked away, just so I can see how it's looking and if I reached my desired look. And guys, I am not a professional. I am just showing you what works for me and how I do it at home when I need a quick, easy go-to hairstyle. Of course, if you go and get it professionally done, it is done differently and much better. But this is just how I do it and what works for me at home when I have to do it and I can't go to a hairdresser. So this is how the lace is looking so far after I've plucked it. I would like a more natural looking or a more thinner lace, but this is how far it goes back in the wig. So we still have some more work to do on this wig. So I'm really loving this color, guys. I'm really loving this color. I thought it was a little darker. It looks a little lighter than what I had before, but it might be the same. It might be the same, but it just looks a lot lighter than what I had before. So I was trying to go for the same look as the last time, because I really like the dark roots and the umber color ends. So that's what I was going for. I've had this same wig before, so I kind of knew what to expect, but I just feel like it's not the same color that I had before. But it might look different once I put it on. I didn't pluck too much, because I know one time before I plucked too much, and I wanted it to have a more natural look, a more natural looking part. So I might have to put some concealer on it to help, but I'm going to put it on and to do with this wig. So this time I didn't braid my hair down because I just didn't braid my hair down this time. So I'm hoping that it will come out flat. With straight wigs, you want it to look as flat as possible. I don't like that big hump. You don't know what that is. That looks like you don't like that look. So I was trying to have it flat, and I'm hoping it will be because I don't have, my hair's not really like long or thick right now. So we'll see. I'm hoping it comes out like I would like it to. And I tried to get it like a nude color cap so that it will look natural in the parts. So that's what I was going for, a nude color cap. So I hope it will look right. I'm gonna try this one. So this wig, as you can see underneath how the part looks. And it has two combs. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the combs because I just really don't like the combs pulling in my hair. So I don't know if we'll use the combs, but there is like an adhesive or something here to kind of hold it on, and there's a comb at the bottom. Sometimes I use this one because it doesn't really pull that much for me in the back, and it's adjustable. So it's like an adjustable adhesive. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Ooh. Hold on, let's get this bad boy in place here. So I usually try to like do my edges instead of pulling hair down because there's really not a lot of lace on this one, so it looks like I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit off camera and get it together because right now she's looking kind of crazy. It's looking kind of crazy right now. I'll be back. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. I think I'm liking it. I feel like it's a little different from the one I had before, but it's a little different, but I really like it. I have to, I don't do the straight wigs that often because they tangle so quickly. So, and especially in the back, and get fuzzy. So I don't do them that often, but I was really feeling this look and this color. So that's why I went with this one, and I had it before. I don't have the concealer that I had before. I really feel like you need a thin tip to like fix the middle part so you get a more natural part. But other than that, it's really cute. I'm feeling the color right now. I don't know, it's probably like a more fall vibe, but you know, I'm all for this color in the spring because I always do 1B or one. I usually do 1B, but I'll just do dark in one color. So I wanted to try a color again, and I had already tried this color, so that's why I was leaning more towards this color. But yeah, I love it. I mean, once you fix your middle part and get your hair how you want in the front, it's really cute. So real quick and easy, and it seems to be nice and flat. I mean, you can braid your hair under it, but today I just didn't. I didn't feel like it. I had already washed and blow dried it, and this is how long it is. And I didn't really need to cut it, because it also would have been cute if you cut it right here and gave a little mini bob going. That would have been cute too. But I'm not gonna cut it this time around. I'm gonna leave it this color. And I'm gonna leave it this length. And we'll see, because this is what I like. And it doesn't seem to be shedding. I'm brushing it a lot. I don't get no shedding. And this is a wig from the beauty supply store. I didn't order it online because I really didn't want to wait for it to come in the mail. So, and I was kind of in a hurry. This is the Freedom Part lace front wig. So you can have the part in the middle or on the side or either side. So you can just shift it. Just shift it and it'll be on the side or in the middle. So, that is a good thing about it. And you can curl this hair with the curling iron up to 400, which I don't know if I would go to 400 because it's synthetic. I hope it won't burn, but I've never curled it, but I might try that. Yeah, so you can curl this hair, and the color is OT30, the Free Tress Equal Freedom Part lace front wig. And it's so cute. I love it. I love it. Yeah. And this is the final look, you guys. This is how I styled it and put it all together. And I'm absolutely loving this wig, you guys. It will make you feel like a whole new person. I absolutely love this. And I may also try it in another color as well. This is my absolute favorite. Well, all of my hairstyles are my favorite. But I really love this wig. I'm very happy with the turnout and how it looks. I think this was the exact wig that I had purchased one time before. It just looked different from the last time. Yes, but let me know if you guys like this wig and any suggestions you have on how you style it, and just let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. I think it looks 100% better once you pluck the part and add concealer. It really gives you a more natural look. Well, thank you guys for watching my video, and let me know what styles you would like to see me do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time.